We're super psyched to be the 2021 Business Champion of the Year. It's really encouraging to have all our hard work and effort recognised by such forward-thinking organisations such as Cycling Scotland, Sustrans, Cycling UK and Scottish Cycling. The company Farr Out Deliveries was started at the beginning of the first lockdown in 2020. We deliver everything and anything all over Edinburgh. We set up to help local businesses and communities and people stuck home. The idea really took off from there. We're trying to be an ethically minded, responsible, sustainable business. We're founded on cooperative ideals. We're employee owned and run, and everyone in the business has a genuine say in what we do and how we do it. So we believe that cargo bikes are the best and most appropriate means for getting around the city, and they're the future of urban logistics. They're more sustainable, quicker, often cheaper, and more accessible than cars and vans. I want to give a big shout out to Cargo Bike Movement, Sustrans Cargo Bike Library, Laidback Bikes and Spokes Campaign, who without them this would have been much less possible and definitely less fun. Thanks a lot.